40 days in, are the chili plants growing as they should be? Good afternoon, good evening, good night everybody. Happy Friday to you all. Friday the 27th of March. It is day 40, quite the milestone, day 40 of the chili growing. What we're going to do today, we took a few down yesterday to have a little look under the blue light, see the progression. Let's take them all down today to the table. We'll have a closer look at everything, get them all categorized, and just have a look at the progress and see how they're doing 40 days after they've been planted. Other than that, I hope you're having an awesome Friday and you're all set for the weekend and got lots of good plans. We're doing great here, me and Miss Lucy Lou, hanging out. Everything is out of the grow room, out of the grow lights. I cannot believe how much some of these have progressed. Let's have a quick check through everything. I'm going to get them all categorized, each different type, so we can have a good look through and see how they're getting on. They're looking good. Some of them have grown so much. Some of them need to bend back towards the light, as you can see there, but they're doing great. Let's check these out. Here we have the striped peppers. Let's start with the Sugar Rush Peach Stripey. We've got one here, one in the middle. Look at this one on there. And there's that one there. Let's take this one out. Look at these roots. Just beautiful. Not hit the bottom yet though. So let's have a look now at the Zebrangi. We've got one here. And another. And another there. And a final one here. Let's have a look at some of these. Great root system as well. And have a quick look at this one in the tub. Yeah, they're doing great. Look, they're starting to go along the bottom. Very nice. There we have Zebrangi and Sugar Rush Peach Stripey. Here are some of the super hots. First up, the Ghost Pepper. We've got 3 of these. Look at that. Just beautiful. There's our second. And there's the third. So let's have a quick lift. Roots are coming along very nicely. All along the bottom there. Let's have a look at this bigger plant. Just fantastic. Those roots are coming along beautifully. All the way down the side of the cup. So we've also got the Armageddon. We have one here. And we have one here looking amazing. There is one cupped, will be up-potted, transplanted. We'll have a look at that in a second. As you can see, the roots are all the way down. Filling nicely along the bottom there. Still need a bit more time, but they're starting to fill the cup. Beautiful. And then finally, we have the Carolina Reaper. There is one here. There's one here. And then there's this one in the middle. Let's have a look at this one in the middle. Wow. Just incredible. Filling the cup nicely. Still need some more time though. But they will be doing just fine, I think. And there we have the super hots. Here are the purple peppers. So we've got the Bueno Mulata. Got 3 of these. There's one here. There's the second. And there's the third. They are looking lovely. Roots are coming along very nice. Hit the bottom already. Oh, and look, just starting to pop out. Marvellous. We've also got the dream catchers. There's one here in the middle. There's 2, 3, 4, and 5. All of these are looking really, really nice. And the roots are doing good too. Still all need a bit more time, but they're coming along nicely and they are looking crazy, crazy good. So here we have some of the other hot peppers, Scotch Bonnet MOA. We've got one here. There's the second. Here's the third. And here's the fourth. Just looking amazing, this one especially. Excuse me. Good stem, a bit leggy, but these roots are doing so well. They're not going to go anywhere, are they? Looking great. Next up we have the black jalapenos here and here. Now these are probably the shortest, slowest growers. Let's have a little look. See, not much roots, a little bit there, a couple along the bottom. So it's about 2/3 down. It's coming along. It's doing okay. Now we have the habanero. We have one here and one here. Both very slow growers, but they're coming along. And the roots are doing exceptional. Right down to the bottom, look. And then finally, we have the one jalapeno. Now we've showed you this one before because of the root system on it. And I think it's going to need transplanting soon because this cup is getting quite full. And on the bottom, we have the roots popping out. Looking great. Yeah, it's coming along nicely. I think in the next day or two, we'll see how it goes, but I think it's time for a transplant on them. Our Tabascos, we've got one here, one there, and one here. And they are literally competing for space now. They are growing so, so well. Not much on the roots for these. Let's have a quick check. Oh, getting tangled up. But yeah, doing great. Looking really, really good. So next up is the poblano. We have one here and one here. Looking really, really nice. Next up is our sweet banana. Right here. And we have in the middle, top a little bit, is our cayenne. And again, the roots are doing really, really well. So there we have it. Let's do another top. Here we have the East Asian chilies. Kashmiri merch. There's one here. Look how that's coming along. Super tall. As is the second. And the third. Coming along really nicely. Let's have a look at this one. And the roots are doing excellent. Still need a bit more time, but they're doing good. Next up here is the large orange Thai. We've got the one here growing super tall. And here's the second. Not as tall, but doing just as good. Lots of roots here, look. I was so worried about the large orange Thai plants. I thought they weren't going to grow, but now the roots are hitting the bottom, going along. Be ready for a transplant soon. And we have one poblano. And the roots are looking fantastic coming out the bottom as well. They're all coming along really, really nice. Plants, the plants that were transplanted from the cups. Can't really see the root progression because they're all opaque. Let's have a little look through. We've got the jalapeno here. Looking nice, a bit leaning a little bit. And here is a large orange Thai. Looking great. Looking good. Next up are the padrones. We have the one and the other. Tilted towards the light a bit, but they're growing really, really well. Here are the Kashmiri merch. We've got the one here. We have the second. And we have the third. And we also have a Scotch Bonnet MOA. And we have the Cayennes. There's 4 of them here. There's the one. And there's the 4th. Looking great. And last but not least, we have the Armageddons. Here is the first one. Looking great there. And here is the second. Alright, everything is back in. It's all been moved, rotated, switched around to make sure the plants bend towards the light, get everything they need, and continue to grow big and strong like what they've been doing at the moment. That wraps up day 40. I want to thank you all for joining us today. I really appreciate it. It means the world to Lucy and I. We just hit over 40 subscribers. Lots and lots of views. I cannot thank you enough. It brings such joy just seeing all the people around the world liking and commenting and watching the videos. Just know that it really does mean the world to me. I really appreciate it. I hope you have a wonderful Friday. You take care of yourself. Have a great day. Get ready for the weekend and have a wonderful weekend. We'll be getting ready for day 41. It's Saturday tomorrow, so we'll be watering and fertilizing. So we'll get that video sorted for you tomorrow. Thank you all once again. Take care of yourselves. Make sure you look after me, myself and I, because no one's going to throw you a lifeline if you're drowning. Have a great Friday. Take care, and we will see you tomorrow for day 41. Take care. Bye-bye.